Have you ever been for a sailboat ride up in San Francisco? It'll make you feel so good down inside, just to be out there when the wind blows. You find the eye of the wind, then you can begin to make your run to freedom. And if you do it just right, she gonna run smooth and tight. You know the old man comes to say, well, you can reach out and touch the Lord. Well, you can hear what he's really saying. All you got to do is get on board, 'cause we going sailing with Harry on Sunday and sail away on a Sunday morning. Sailor on the way, yeah. Watch her come around, let her off a little bit. Whoa, it's got to slow you down. Whoa, now sail away, yeah. Oh, now see her come around. Oh, now drop her off just a little bit. It's really gonna slow you down. Have you ever been for a sailboat ride up in San Francisco? It'll make you feel so good down inside, just to be out there when the wind blows. You can reach out and touch